okay, you can see that I already made a withdrawal yesterday on this platform. I was able to withdraw $120 USDT, and the withdrawal came immediately. So December is right there at the corner, and how are you preparing for it though? So my duty is for me to keep on bringing you opportunities that will help you make some money on a consistent basis. So I'm about to introduce to you guys a platform known as Engie-USDT. This is a platform that is going to enable you to farm USDT on a daily basis. So I'm actually going to be walking you through how to sign up, deposit, withdrawal, and how to be performing tasks to earn, as well as how you could be able to share this opportunity with your family and friends and earn some reward in the process. Before we get into the video, I like to warn you that this platform is extremely risky, and I also disclaim that this is not a financial advice. This video is just for educational purpose, just to show you your whereabouts this particular platform. So before you invest in it, do well to consult your financial advisor. I am not your financial advisor. Consult your financial advisor and do your own research before you think of investment. And you should also note that cryptocurrency investment is very risky, because the crypto market is extremely volatile. To get started, you are going to find a link to this platform in the description of this video. Use the link and sign up. Enough said, let us get into the video. After you've been able to sign up and log in, the next thing you have to do, okay, you can see that I already made a withdrawal yesterday on this platform. I was able to withdraw $120 USDT, and the withdrawal came immediately. Right, so now once you are able to sign up, you are actually going to come down to where we have recharge. You click on recharge. When you click on recharge, you can choose any of these networks. Right, you can go for TRC20 USDT, and you copy your wallet address by clicking on copy. Then take it to maybe your Bybit, Trust Wallet, any cryptocurrency wallet where you have your USDT, and make sure you are sending using TRC20 network. Then once you are done with the deposit, you can click on recharge complete. So you can come to where we have invest. So the first plan is AI 1.7. You are going to invest $28,999, and you are going to be getting 50% of your initial deposit for complete 30 days. So that is the duration for this particular plan, which is kind of way too high. So we are actually going to scroll down, and you are going to see an investment that you can start with $100, and you are going to be getting 20% every single day. That is, if you invest $100 USDT today, you are going to be getting $20 USDT every single day until 30 days, which simply means at the end of the day you are going to be getting $600 return on investments. Right, so let us go back. You can choose how many. Let's say for instance you want to go to this plan, you can choose how many of it. Maybe you want to invest $200 or you want to invest $300, any amount of your choice. When you click on quantity, this is where you are going to be performing your daily tasks in order to claim the amount of money you are going to be accumulating on this platform every 24 hours. So you are going to be clicking on this button that looks like a fingerprint to do your own quantify. Right, that is where you are going to be claiming. And here are the investment packages. You can start for as low as maybe $1, $2, $3, and this is the amount of profit ratio you are going to be getting, and the duration is for 90 days. Right, so the second plan, you can start with a minimum of $16 to $80. From $16 to $80, you are going to be getting 20% every single day. Right, so let's say for instance you invest $10, you are going to be getting $2 every single day for the next 90 days. Then when you come here where we have this particular plan, the minimum you can start with is $89, and you are going to be getting 22% for the next 90 days. Just go through any of these plans and go for the one that is suitable to how much you can afford to risk. Once you've been able to make this money on a daily basis, kindly note that you can withdraw for as low as $1 on this platform. Once you've been able to make this money, just come to where we have withdrawal and click on withdrawal, and you impute the amount of money of which you want to withdraw, and you paste your cryptocurrency wallet address, preferably TRC20 network. So just click on TRC20 and you impute the amount of USDT wherein you want to withdraw. You put your password and you click on confirm, and in less than 5 minutes the USDT is going to be deposited into your wallet. So we've come to the end of today's video, and if you have any question, please do well to ask in the comments below. Like this video, share this opportunity with your loved ones, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.